Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of Beta Stack Action Automation for Workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, navigate to App Marketplace and click on it. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install, and when you find it, just click on it. From this interface, click Install and allow one install. Next, refresh your page. When the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of very important tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which contains information about the application. Up next is the tutorials tab, which has resources that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Next is the setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. First, start by clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your Beta Stack account online and click on Integrations. In Integrations, click on APIs, and from there, click on Get the API token. Next, give a name of your choice and click Create. An API has been created, so you copy the API key, head back to your account and paste it where required. Then click Complete Setup. There we go. Up next is the support tab, where you can create tickets and book calls with our support team each time you have an issue. And finally is the changelog tab, which keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. And you can also receive notifications each time a change is made by toggling this on, filling in your email address and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.